Welcome back to Tech Talk today. In this video, we're diving into Chapter 4, Components of ICT. ICT, Information and Communication Technology, isn't just about computers. It's a powerful system comprising many parts that work together to collect, process, store, transmit, and display information. Let's start with hardware, the physical components of an ICT system. If you can touch it, it's hardware. Input devices, keyboard, mouse, scanner. Output devices, monitor, printer, speakers. Processing devices, CPU, GPU. Storage devices, hard drives, SSDs, networking devices, routers, modems, switches. The CPU is the brain of your computer. And don't forget about peripherals, like USB drives or external hard disks. They're the add-ons that make your system more powerful. Next, we have software, the invisible instructions that tell hardware what to do. System software, Windows, Mac OS. Application software, Zoom, Photoshop. Utility software, antivirus, disk cleanup. Programming software, Python, C++, Java. The operating system connects all hardware and software. And remember, open-source software like Linux is free and editable, while proprietary software like Microsoft Office requires a license. Peopleware is all about you, the people who make ICT work. End users. System analysts. Programmers. Network admins. ICT managers. Without human interaction, ICT systems would be lifeless. That's why training and digital skills are essential. Now, let's talk data, the raw facts and figures before they become useful. Input processing, output storage. Example, test scores report card. Information is data with meaning. It's processed, organized, and used to make decisions. Example, data, 90, 85, 75. Information, student A scored 90% in math. Communication technologies make it possible to send and receive data across the globe. Internet. Email. VoIP, Zoom. Mobile networks. Satellite communication. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. These tools power everything from video calls to remote learning to social media. Procedures are the rules and steps that make ICT systems safe and efficient. Examples, login protocols. Data backups. Usage policies. Cybersecurity rules. Without procedures, systems would be chaotic and vulnerable. All ICT components work together like parts of a living organism. From your smartphone to a global business network, ICT components are always working behind the scenes. Understanding them is the first step toward mastering the digital world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned for the next chapter in our ICT series.